So we had did a post yesterday. Well, I posted it this morning, but doing boat repair and exceeded our tool capacity. Well, we're back here and the stern drive is out, and you look in here and the engine is out, and it's been palletized and it is ready to go. Get that right, Josh?
Boat motor's out, ready to be sent down to Miami to be rebuilt by Excessive Engines.
Excessive Engines going to do that, and so Josh is the one working on this, and he's pretty expedient and clean.
Less cleanup to do later. Things go smoother, and we don't have all the grease all over the boat to clean up later.
Pretty awesome. So guys, that's progress on the boat. It's nice that I'm not turning the wrenches to do it. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you're interested in JB Automotive, I'll leave links down below. Y'all please take care.